Talkative. Liking to talk a lot. She is a talkative girl, and I get annoyed with her sometimes. Don't be so talkative. It looks stupid. Lazy. Not wanting to work. My brother is too lazy. I was feeling too lazy to work in the office. Nervous. Worried or afraid. She was too nervous to give an interview. I was so nervous when I first went to school. Rude. Not polite. The taxi driver was so rude. Don't be so rude, he is your little brother. Shy. Uncomfortable speaking to people. He is very shy with adults. The child was shy and hid behind his mother. Greedy. Wanting more food, money, etc. They were finding golds after their grandmother died. They are so greedy. He is a greedy boy. He ate all the candy. Strict. Not allowing break rules. She's very strict with her children. The teacher is very strict with his student. Messy. Dirty or untidy. His bedroom is always messy. I cannot find anything on this messy desk. Polite. Having good manners and showing respect. He is always polite to everyone. She was too polite for him to hold the door. Bully. To hurt or frighten people. He loved to bully his younger brother. Leave that little girl alone. Don't bully her. Popular. Liked by many people. He is popular among the students. Rihanna is a popular singer. She sings nice. Gobble. To eat quickly and noisily. Don't gobble your food, eat slowly. He always gobbled his food in the morning. Gulp. To swallow food, drink, etc. He finished off his drink with one large gulp. Don't gulp your food without chewing it well. Drool. To let liquid, saliva. Tony drools a lot when he sleeps. He always drool whenever people are eating. Imitate. To copy the behavior of somebody. He imitates his father perfectly. When I was a kid, I imitated my elder brother a lot. Nibble. To eat something by taking small bites. The mouse is nibbling bread. Don't nibble at your food if you dislike it. Prick. To make a small hole. She got a prick from a thorn. The doctor pricked my finger to test my blood.